Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a grocery haul. There's going to be two different stores here. Today I'm sharing with you, this first haul is from Walmart. I did have a gift card for Walmart, so this did not come out of any of my personal grocery funds. This was a gift card. So I picked up the things that I knew that I could only get at Walmart and that might be added or beneficial to our family. So I picked up these Carb Balance Mission tortillas. The little lady forgot to take off my coupon, but that's okay. I'll use it at another time. So we got the tortillas. They were like $4.24. We picked up this 2-pound bag of sharp cheddar cheese. This is more expensive. It used to be $4 and some. Now it's $5.24 at our store. So we'll break this down into 4 bags of cheese. We'll put a couple in the freezer and just one in the fridge. That way, portion control. We try to have portion control. I picked up 3 of these Too Good yogurts. I haven't had yogurt in quite a long time, and I thought I would try them. I'm just gonna do half of this and share half with one of the kids. But I got a mixed berry, peach, and 1 strawberry. They were $1.28 a piece. Picked up a thing of radishes so we can do radish and bacon hash, and that was $1.47. We got some of these baby bell mushrooms. I think I'm going to add that into the radish hash just to give it a little bit more body. They were on sale for 61 cents, so I do need to use those. Then I picked up some strawberries at $3.27. That's a 2-pound bucket. And then we picked up the almond flour. I originally was not going to do almond flour this week, but we are going to a 4th of July party, and we each have to bring a side, a drink, and a dessert. And I'm going to do a keto pound cake, and it calls for almond flour, a couple of cups, and I only had a couple cups on hand. So that was $10.98. And then I picked up some sugar-free French vanilla creamer. So at Walmart this morning, I spent $32.43. I still have $16.78 on my card, and I will use that for next week's groceries. So the next little bit you'll see from Harris Teeter. Okay, you guys, so I have went back to the grocery store to finish up my grocery haul. So I went back to Walmart and then Harris Teeter. So I thought I was going to find all of my groceries at Harris Teeter, but one of the things I am not doing anymore is walking the store. Please forgive the sounds. We are having a really bad storm here, and it's thundering and lightning, so I'm trying to get this video filmed. We actually just were able to get the groceries out of the car. It has been really bad. But I thought I was going to be able to get all of my groceries at Harris Teeter, but since I'm not walking the store, I'm just picking up what's on sale. I'm trying to stick to my list. And in June, we did the freezer challenge. We did not buy any meat. And as you saw in the video previous to this video, that we used up all of the meat except 4 packages of meat. So after those 4 packages are gone, we don't have any more meat. So that was a focus for us this week. So I went to Harris Teeter. I saw that cheese was on sale. That's what I went in there to get, and to get the Lacento sweetener, because they don't have this at any other store in my area except Harris Teeter. But I didn't want to get too much there because I knew I was going to go to Walmart. However, I did find some yellow tags on meat. So I'll tell you about that in a minute. And then I went back to Walmart to pick up the rest of this. So let me share with you, at Harris Teeter, they had these Frigo Head cheese combo packs. The kids like this. This is meat and cheese. This was 2 for $6 or $3 a piece, and we found a $1 off. So I paid $2 for this. This cheese was buy 2 get 2 free, so it was $2.99 for each one. And then so that was what, $6, and we got 4 of them, so a little bit over $1 a pack. And this is sliced cheese. So we got sharp white, sharp cheddar, Wisconsin extra sharp, and then mozzarella. We'll use those for sandwiches, for lunches. So we'll put a couple of those in the freezer. Moveless butter was $1.99. The Lacento monk fruit sweetener was $5.99. Now, this is where I found some really good deals. Now, this Purdue Shortcuts, this is the Southwestern style. These are chicken cutlets or little chicken strips. They were $4.29, buy one, get one free. So each of them were going to be $2.15 a bag. but they had this $1 off tag on them. So each bag was $1.15. So we picked up the 6 bags that they had. Next thing we found was this Shady Brooks Farm turkey burgers. These were 2 for $7 or $3.50 a piece, and there are 4 turkey burger patties in there. But so $3.50, but they had a $2 off ticket. So each of these ended up being $1.50 for 4 patties. That's less than 40 cents a patty. So I could not leave those deals. I got 4 of these, 6 of those meats. And so at Harris Teeter, my balance was $33.34, and I saved $49.95. So 60% saved on Harris Teeter. So I then slid back over to Walmart because I wanted to see if I could get the rest of the things that I needed from Walmart, and we did very well. Again, I got meats because we have veggies, and I do have some canned goods that I do need to use in my pantry. So I felt pretty good about what I got at Walmart. So we got these shrimp. These are medium-sized shrimp for raw and peeled and deveined shrimp. They were like $5.24. Then they had a 64-ounce bag or 4 pounds of the tilapia fillets for $11.24. And then they had the 4 pounds of chicken thighs for $4.73. So I was excited about this. This is at least one meal. There's at least 2 to 3 meals, maybe 4 in here, and at least 2 meals to 3 meals there. And then I got this mild Italian sausage. This was $2.88. So a lot of meat. The next thing I picked up were these turnips. I saw turnip fries in one of the keto cookbooks. I think it was Southern Keto, and we wanted to try that. So I did pick up these. They were $1.94. The heavy whipping cream was $1.60. The Too Good yogurts were $1.28. The Smucker's sugar-free strawberry preserves is like $3 and some change. Alana picked that up, so I don't remember. Cucumbers, Jackson liked these mini cucumbers. They were $2 and some change. I can't remember. The Truvia brown sugar is like $6. I was really trying to get the Splenda one because it's less, but this is the one we got. So, and Alana went down the aisle and picked that up for me. So it was a little bit more than I had planned to spend, but we needed it. So the only other place I've been able to find this is at Food Line, and they have a generic brand that's just like the Splenda brand, and it's about half the price or a little bit less than half. But they have not been having it lately. So we were just at Walmart, and I didn't want to stop at a third store. Jackson needed tissues for his nose. They were $1.32. The Angel Soft is like $2 and some change. And then we got the 60-count eggs again for $3.93 at Walmart. And so at Walmart, I had planned to spend $40. Oh, and we got a case of water. But I ended up spending $58.01. So between Walmart and Harris Teeter today, I spent, let's see, $91.35. So a little bit over my $75 budget that I had thought $75, and I ended up at $91. So about $15 over. But again, I got all that meat. That's going to give us at least 1, 2, 3, 4 meals. 10 meals, 11, 15, between 17 to 18 meat meals just in this one grocery haul. So let me share with you our meal plan. All right, so let me share with you, first of all, my grocery list. We sat down and went through all of the things that we needed to have, and then we made some tough choices. So, the chocolate chips, we did see those. They were $6.99. I chose not to get these this time so that I could get some meat. We did get the brown sugar. We got the heavy cream. Coffee pods. I still have some that I have with coupons that are the cold coffee pods, but you can use them to make hot. But I also have a ton of tea. So I'm going to do tea this month because I don't have any ground coffee either. So we ended up getting the eggs. We did not get ground meat. We did not get flavor. We did not get the onions and peppers because we had some leftover onions from a recipe we made last week. So we're just going to use those onions that we had. We got the preserves. We did not get the magnesium that I wanted to get, the Ziploc bags, the aluminum foil, or the spaghetti squash, and I forgot the minced garlic. I'm going to try to find this at Dollar Tree. We did not get any feminine items because we have some already. We did get the turnips. I did not get sausage, but I got fish and shrimp. And then radishes we already had. Cauliflower, we have a mix. And then I did get the Italian sausage. So looking at my grocery list, I just had to make some hard choices this time because I could have really still gotten everything on the list and been way over. But I was trying to be mindful of my budget that I had for today. So before we went to the grocery store, I went through my keto cookbooks and found a couple recipes that I thought I might want to make. So the sausage, egg, and cheese pinwheels, the cheesy chorizo breakfast bake, John's special, those all come from the Craveable Keto Cookbook. Pastrami breakfast hash, the zuppa toscana, the smoked sausage and kale soup, cheesy ham and cauliflower soup, creamy Caesar salad with garlic parmesan cheese crisp. So those were some things I thought I could make. Well, based on the meats that I got, I can still do the cheesy pinwheels because I can substitute in bacon. We have bacon bits. So I'm going to sub in bacon. This breakfast casserole we cannot do. We can't do that one. We can't do this. The zuppa toscana, we might be able to do that one. I think so. And then none of the rest of these I can do based on the meats that I have. So I'm going to go back through the cookbooks again to see what I can make that has turkey, chicken, shrimp, fish, or chicken thighs. So I'm going to go back through my cookbooks and see what I can come up with, and then I'll let you know what our meal plan will be for the week. One of the things you really have to think about when you're meal planning is, for me at least, I backwards plan. So I shop first, get all of my deals, and then I plan on meals. I never plan the meals first and then buy what I need for those meals because I'm always going to chase the sale. So when you're on a budget, and I know sometimes I go over budget a little bit, but Dad sent some money this week. I did not even have to use my grocery budget for this week because I had about $75 extra from what he sent that I pulled into grocery money. So I did not spend the $50 that I had allowed for this week for groceries. I just did not. So if I were needing to go back and get anything from the list, then I would be able to do that. However, I'm going to see how this week plays out. But now, because I know what ingredients I do have, I can now go look at my cookbooks and say, okay, I have turkey meat. And because those are in hamburger patties shapes, doesn't mean that I have to leave them as hamburger patties. I can easily throw them into a fry pan and pound them out with like a mix and chop and use it as ground turkey meat. I could do that very easily. So I'm gonna look through and see what recipes line up with the amount of ingredients that I have to tell you guys what it is that we're going to have for our meals. Meal planning to me is easier this way because I know what I have and then I can just pick meals to go with what I have. I still have sour cream, I have ricotta cheese, I've got some heavy whipping cream left, I've got some lemon juice. There was a couple lemon recipes, lemon butter chicken or something. There's a couple things I can still do with the amount of ingredients that I have. So let me check my books and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, you guys, so the kids and I have gone back through the cookbooks. We have Craveable Keto. This is Keto Comfort Foods right here. We had that one that was gifted to us. Southern Keto was gifted to us. And then Craveable Keto we bought at the very beginning of our journey. We have a couple more cookbooks. But I would really, really love that Keto for Foodies cookbook that I saw Shelly and Mrs. Erica show on their channel. But I'll get it whenever I have some extra. Right now it's not a huge deal because I'm still cooking my way through these. But we found some recipes that we think would work with the ingredients that we have, but I don't know which days I'm going to put them on. So I'll just show you or tell you what we're planning to cook, and then I'll just fill them in on the days I think appropriate. So we're going to do the zuppa toscana soup, slow cooker spiced pork tenderloin, pan-seared chicken with a balsamic cream sauce, mushroom, and onions, and we have the mushrooms and onions. We need to use up the mushrooms, so we may actually make this meal very soon. The dill pickled juice brine fish and chips. This has to brine overnight, the fish does, and we do have the tilapia now, so we're going to do that one. The best ever fork and knife pub burger. We're going to use the turkey burgers for that. We'll have shrimp po' boys, and we will use the carb counter wraps for those. And then we're going to have ranch chicken thighs or ranch chicken drumsticks. I saw Jay Morrell do, I think, ranch chicken drumsticks. So we're going to either do thighs or drumsticks. I think probably thighs, but I'm not real sure. But that's what we can plan for. And we have not cooked any of these meals before. So nothing on here is something we've had before. Everything is new, and we're really trying to utilize the books that we have. I'm either going to make this a fruit pizza or a pound cake, sour cream pound cake for a 4th of July event we have to attend tomorrow. So it will either be this one or it will be the sour cream pound cake. So anywho, there it is, our meal plan for the week. I think if I can stress anything to newcomers, people who are new to meal planning or shopping, or maybe something in your situation has changed that is causing you to have to meal plan and prep, that type of thing, really figure out what you have and use what you have. Now we have plenty of broccoli, we have some collard greens, I think we have green beans, we've got diced tomatoes in the pantry, we have pesto, we have spaghetti sauce, plenty of extras that we can add. We have eggs and bacon if I need to substitute in a breakfast for dinner. I've got some eggs and bacon, but I am going to do those pinwheels using bacon, since we do have some bacon bits, bacon crumbles. We have bacon crumbles, so I'm going to make those for breakfast. And then we do have radishes, so we'll probably do a radish hash for breakfast. This morning we did some of the Southern Keto Drop biscuits, and we do like those. I made 10 and we only ate 3 this morning, so we have a few more for the next couple of days, because really you only need 1 of those. And then we had a couple slices of bacon. I think the kids ended up having some eggs with that as well. But anywho, just give it a little bit of a try. If you're only planning for 1 week, like yesterday I saw a video from Sarah over at Our Tribe of Many. She plans for the whole month. I am not that skilled yet, and sometimes I don't know what my schedule is going to be or not be, so I only plan for the week. Still works, and I am okay with that. So anywho, thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel. We hope that this grocery haul and meal plan was helpful to you. If it was, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Share this video if you think it's worth sharing. Thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.